Using the wave of new generative AI features on the ServiceNow platform, it's easier than ever to build amazing apps. To see how, let's join Jake, a citizen developer who's just started building low-code apps using ServiceNow. Jake recently built an app that automates aspects of his company's warehouse compliance management process, which involves a variety of interdependent data models. Using preferred reference tables, he's able to easily build custom data models that take advantage of his company's most commonly referenced data. He can also switch to the spreadsheet view and use the new Show Matching option to work with his data in an effortless fashion. As Jake turns his attention to automation, though, things get even more interesting. Generative AI is now embedded across the ServiceNow platform to make developers like Jake more efficient than ever. As he develops workflows, he'll benefit from contextually relevant suggestions via Now Assist recommendations. Powered by the Now LLM, this new generative AI capability greatly reduces the time and effort required to build automation for both new and experienced users alike. Jake doesn't have much programming experience, but using low-code tools like Flow Designer and brand new Now Assist capabilities like text-to-code, he can still take full advantage of the ServiceNow platform. Let's say he wants to write a business rule that can provide contextually relevant info to folks using his app related to attachments associated with site audit records. He can now simply type a comment in natural language and have Now Assist generate the necessary lines of code for him. From there, he can do a quick conditional check to see if any attachments are present and use code completion to provide a helpful warning message in the case where no attachments are found. Once Jake is happy with the revision to his app, he submits it to his admin team for review. Let's now join Lola, a ServiceNow admin, as she helps bring Jake's newly developed features to life. Lola supports her company's citizen development program, and using App Engine Management Center, has been successfully managing hundreds of low-code app developers and projects. While App Engine Management Center does simplify her world, some of the latest features in the Vancouver release take things to the next level. Lola can now leverage existing Instant Scan and Automated Test Framework suites in new app deployments, meaning more reuse and less starting from scratch. And, just like Jake, Lola will find awesome new generative AI capabilities available in tools she regularly uses, like Instant Scan. As part of her next deployment window, she needs to expand app test coverage to provide a check for inactive users who are not locked out. Using text-to-code, she need only write a quick comment with that description to generate the code she needs. Lola will also find this during other aspects of her role as admin, such as writing business rules, where she'll be able to leverage the same comment-to-code and code completion capabilities, all powered by Now Assist. With these final pre-deployment tasks complete, Lola is ready to take advantage of yet another new app dev feature introduced in the Vancouver release, scheduled deployments. Using this new capability, she can align her app deployments to the appropriate change window and allow ServiceNow's pipeline automation to handle the rest. Just like that, we've seen how new ServiceNow capabilities, especially those powered by generative AI, are making a massive difference in the lives of admins, developers, and anyone taking advantage of the power of the ServiceNow platform.